You can actually develop strength throughout the full range of motion even while using the resistance band. So today I want to show you a tip. I want you to try this as well, right? So that you can actually develop strength throughout the full range of motion even while using the resistance band, right? So for those of you who have tried resistance band, you probably realize that you can't actually complete a full range of motion without it having, to break your form towards the last part. So what I mean by this is this: if let's say we are doing the leg pull down, and this applies to any other exercise, if we were to start it, it feels good, it feels easy, but towards a certain point and beyond, you feel really tough and you can't complete the exercise properly with good form or proper muscle activation, right? It really also depends on your resistance band and how resistant it is. So if you're experiencing that and you want to be actually able to develop strength properly throughout the rest of the motion, what I want you to do is break it into two parts. The first part being, right, wherever you kind of stop and you can't proceed further, that's the first part. Complete your fixed number of reps. And then for the second part, go down just slightly below, one notch below if you may, and complete the second half of the exercise. Right, give this a try, and this will really help to develop your strength in the entire range of motion and help you feel a nice contraction if you do it right. Okay, so give this a try. Let me know in the comments if you love this tip, and also if you want to share your exercise video with me, shoot me a message and I will definitely be able to help you see if there's any tweaks we can make, alright, and I'll share it on my story.